we're back. Just wanted to do a quick review. Just got this today, quad lock phone mount. I got the case for the Pixel 5 as well. Oh, I need to do this. I just got back from a ride, testing it out. So it was very nice. I got the vibration dampener on there. Kind of got it mounted over the middle. To be honest, I might get a black lever. Not that I can really see it while riding, but I could see the blue maybe getting a little annoying. But so far, I like it. Mainly because I got in a spot where I don't have to stare at my phone the whole time that I'm riding. That was kind of half the point. I didn't want to detract from just getting out on the bike. So this is a good compromise. I also got a mount for the Ram guy, one that does the ball. I'm just gonna try that out too, just because this one doesn't have a ton of adjustability stock. Like, they have this longer arm on, so I can kind of, and you can rotate this and adjust it using these screws. It will clock, and it has little detents at multiple positions to get into a spot you like. It's kind of a fixed spot on the handlebar, so it works, definitely. I could see though, like, depending on your bike, you might need to get a different mount. They make one that goes into the stem bolt, which I could use, but it's a little close to the tank. And like I said, I got the Ram ball coming just to try that out too. Have options that way if I'm not running the GoPro dash cam, if you will. But that's basically all I was really here for. This is just my first initial reactions. It held on fine. You know, obviously you're worried about it at first, but ultimately it worked out great. And look forward to using it more. In October, I'm planning to take the bike up on a little just camping, quote unquote. You can see, you can kind of see me do it, quote unquote, camping trip. Have a little mini cabin up north. So that's all I had for today. New quad lock. Check them out. I really like it. And they make a case for my phone. Out.